Are you tired of that Ember squeak? Well, let's talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Well, it's official. I finally got the squeak out of my Ember trailer. The Curt independent suspension, at least the first generation here that was rolled out on my trailer, was squeaky as heck. And I know that there's other Ember users that have reported the same. Now, it's not unique to Ember. My last RV, which was a Keystone Bullet, I had to replace the shackles in the dual axle setup on that trailer for the same reason, because I'd pull into a campsite and it would just be squeak, squeak, squeak all the way through the campsite. And I'd rather roll in quiet. Like I said before, my truck has no special exhaust system. It's very, very quiet. And I like my trailer to be very, very quiet. And when I'm rolling through the desert real slow and rolling through the nature, I want it to be quiet. I don't want to just be this big echo of squeak, 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 scaring all the animals away. Everybody's staring at my RV. Oh, sorry. Mosquitoes and flies. What I ended up doing was taking my RV to Woody's. I had Woody's install grease zerts on the axles. Here's some pictures right here of what they did. And there we go, grease zerts. There's the other one. There's two more on that side. I was a little worried I might have to remove the sewer tube to grease them, but nope, they're just in the right spot. It was done to the bulletin, which I will include here. I'll also make sure to post on my Patreon page where you can go get the bulletin from Lippert. So it's official. You're not just improvising. I want to thank Stephen TK, who pioneered doing this out there on the Facebook pages, did it to his own RV. And now I had Woody's do it to mine. Probably could have done it myself. But again, I fixed the computers. I let other people fix the RVs. So yes, if you have a Ember and it's squeaky, download the bulletin, talk to your dealer, show them this video saying, hey, this guy had it done, this other guy did it already, here's the bulletin from Lippert, it's legit, let's get it done. It cost me like around 375 bucks with tax, with labor, and that's in Canadian dollars. So I'll put it down here for US dollars, how much it actually cost. And I know it's a little expensive, but again, I'd rather pay professionals to do a professional job. They're trained and they're worth getting paid. And Woody's is so good to me, I was happy to finally give them some money. They've done so much for me for free. I'll be talking about some other fixes they did in another video. Get rid of that squeak. See you, everyone. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.